Hey guys, welcome back to another video. We're back with the Honda. In this video, we'll be replacing the timing chain tensioner. I was recommended by you guys to replace this. This is a diagram of the timing system in my car. Also, I do want to apologize. I know I said V4. Apparently, it is an I4, inline 4, so sorry about that. And with that, we'll continue the video. We'll be replacing the timing chain tensioner, which is located next to the crankshaft, above the crankshaft sensor. Using a 10mm, we can remove the 3 bolts holding the access panel in place. To remove the panel, we're going to need to pry either with the screwdriver because it has a putty gasket, so it's pretty stuck on there. Make sure to remove any of the leftover gasket material so the new gasket material can stick. This is a little panel right here we removing the material also on this side, and later we'll be putting the new gasket material on the panel itself also. With a 19mm, we need to rotate either the crankshaft or the power steering. That will, so when it rotates, we need to be able to get a pin inside the hole in the timing chain tensioner. As you can see, we need to put a pin through there. After hand tightening these 2 bolts with a 10mm, you can torque them down to 9 foot-pounds. After torquing them down, you can remove the pin. I'll be using this as my gasket. It's simple and it's pretty easy. As you see what I'm doing, it's just putting the new gasket on the panel, using my finger to evenly distribute the gasket. Make sure it's even. For this specific type of gasket material, the instructions were to place the cover on and wait an hour, but only hand tightening the 3 bolts. After the hour, you can torque on the spec, which is 9 foot-pounds, all 3. Hey guys, if you enjoyed the video, please consider to like and subscribe. Trying to reach 1,000 subscribers by the end of the year. I hope you enjoyed.